When I'm going to see a student for the first time, I go in and bring a whole bunch of fun toys with me. I try and get into their play and create really just fun things to do. And as I'm trying to get into their space and trying to be fun, I'm bringing out preferred toys, but I'm also looking at an initial student assessment and just looking to see if there's anything that they do or don't do. So, can they respond to their name? Can they, do any type of gross motor imitation or imitation with toys? Are they following any instructions whatsoever? Are they making any requests? And if they are requesting, how are they requesting? Do they have any receptive language? Are they letting me into their space? Are they following a point? A whole bunch of stuff like that. And I would fill this out, and this is just chicken scratch. This is for my own records. And then I can plot this information onto a program planning matrix, which breaks things down into different categories. And then I can put different ideas for programs on this program planning matrix.